Okay, now it's time for the body. But before that, I will group the shapes of the head. It will be easy to work with it. Okay, move it here. So for the central body, I will use just a circle. Hit L on the keyboard and draw the circle. Something like this, and I will use this red-orange color for it. Now move it here. And basically this will be the central body of the character. For the second step, we will create arms. And you can create the arms in 1,000 different ways. But I will show you how to create animation-friendly arms. It means that if you want to animate the character, it will be very easy for you. And this is one of my goals, to show you how to create a character in an easy way, and after that animate it and use it for your animation projects, games, cartoons, and whatever you want. So first we will create a shoulders, and we will use the rectangle tool for it. So hit M on the keyboard and draw the rectangle here. Okay, it will be a rounded rectangle. It will be darker a bit. And send it to back. The beauty of this style is that you can create a lot of different characters, a lot of different bodies with the same shapes. As an example, if you want to create a strong character, just draw big shoulders and big arms. And if you want to create a fat character, everything what you need to do is change the size of this central circle. And just with that, you will get a complete different character of the body. So now when we have the shoulders, we will create the arms. And for that, I will use this shape. So copy it with Ctrl+C and paste it with Ctrl+V. Here. Then hold Shift and rotate it by 90 degrees. Go here, select Direct Selection tool. And select just the lower point of the shape. Like this. And move it down. So this is the first method, the easy one. For the second method, you need one step extra, but it will be easier for the animation later. So move it here, something like that. Then copy the shape, Ctrl+C, and paste it with Ctrl+F. And move it here. And now, as you can see, I overlapped these shapes, like a circle. But later, in the process of the animation, you will get an elbow. Now I will cut this lower part of the arm, and I will do that with the minus front tool. Okay, cool. I will create one more shape, and I will use skin color for it, because it will be the hand. Okay, something like this. Copy it with Ctrl+C, paste with Ctrl+F, move it here. You can change the size a bit. Hit A on the keyboard, select this point here, and make these corners round. And here I will create one more rounded rectangle for the thumb. And of course I will use darker skin color. Hit A on the keyboard. Send to back. Okay, cool. Now group the shapes. I'll move it here. And send to back. I will copy the arm with Ctrl+C, paste it with Ctrl+F, move it here, and reflect it. So click with the right mouse button, go into Transform, Reflect, and reflect by vertical. So select it and click OK. Okay, move it here. Okay, now legs. So I will create the black rectangle here, and in that way I will separate the legs from the upper part of the body. Something like this. Then here I will draw the rectangle, and it will be purple. Select these points and make these corners round. Something like this. So for the first leg, I will use rectangle like this. Okay, here for the foot, I need a semicircle, so select the circle, paint it in black, and delete the lower part of the circle with the rectangle. And of course, minus front tool. Hold Shift, change the size, and move it here. Okay, select the leg, copy it with Ctrl+C, paste in place, move it here and reflect it. So we just got the basic form of the character, and I will show you how to add a bunch of different details and make it amazing.